Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got something super special. This is an arcade one-up Pac-Man machine. This is what they call a countercade. I think that's the name of it. Yeah, countercade. They're coming up with these weird names. But anyway, what it does is essentially, this is not a standing machine. It's one of those where you put on your desk and you play, which is perfect for me because I'm literally like, I have a lot of desks. So I can put this thing on there and I can really play it. And look, if you look at it right now, the height of it is fantastic. But today I want to show you guys all the little details about this. Now, the reason why I want to make this video, one is because I really have not found a lot of videos just getting into the details of these beauties. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm going to get a few more actually, because after I played with this, I totally love it. This one comes with 4 games. If you used to crunch quarters in the arcade, you know these are super special. Well, anyway, this thing right here, I have already unboxed it, obviously, but I'm going to plug it in a little bit. And what I want to do right now is I actually want to show you guys the aesthetic real quick, because there's not a lot of video out there that I noticed. I was looking and I'm not seeing a lot of aesthetic video. Check this out, okay? So on the side right here, you got a beautiful, beautiful artwork right here. By the way, I don't think these are painted on there. It feels like it's a laminate sticker. So I think it's the exact stuff that they use in the arcade machine, in the original arcade machine out there. Pretty nice. Both sides. You got here Super Pac-Man over here as well. It's beautiful. And then here's the thing. This little top piece right here, there's actually a light inside of it, which I will show you in a little bit. The design on the side right here for Super Pac-Man is literally the original artwork. I totally love it. Yeah, it's amazing. And then, you know, there's little instructions and stuff like this. You can actually read it out. It's really small though, for my eyes, it's really small, but you can actually read it out. It's the original instruction that's on there. Then on top of that, the speakers is like right down here. You see that? There's a speaker right there, which, by the way, super loud. I had to actually turn it down because the kids were playing on it, and it was just super loud, super loud. Okay, so the other thing is they've kind of mimicked the arcade machine, the original arcade machine, by adding on like an acrylic plastic on top here. You see this screw is holding it down. So it's a super shiny top. It's beautiful. And so you're probably asking, hey, how does the joystick work? Is it pretty good? The joystick is really good. It even has, look at this. You know that thing where you, yeah. Anyway, the joystick is really good. It does make a different sound than the arcade though, because the arcade doesn't sound like this. Let me show you. You hear that? There's that clicky sound to it, so it's like a blue switch on a keyboard if you do gaming keyboards. Anyway, yes. And then there's a 1 button for super speed, because this is a Super Pac-Man, right? And so there's a super speed button right there. And then there is a 1 or 2 player button on the side right here. Now, the extra thing that is really not like in the arcade version, I would say, is there is a obviously on and off switch, and then there's the volume rocker right here. And on top of that, you got yourself a little headphone jack. So you can actually play this quietly while people are sleeping in the house. Totally love it. They've thought of every single thing. The only thing that I would say is the plastic is actually pretty hard to take out. I still got plastic like stuck in here. So it looks like what they've done is they put this together while the plastic is still on there. And so when they screw it in, they literally screw the plastic onto it too. And so I still got plastic pieces all over the place. That's my only gripe about this thing. But everything else, the build quality is solid. Guys, this wood right here is literally the same wood that they use on the arcade cabinet, all right? So anyway, enough about the aesthetic. Now that you guys have seen it, I want to plug it in, show you guys what it looks like, what it sounds like. It's amazing. The screen is actually really good. Oh, by the way, it comes with a little cord. That's this thing right here that you can just plug this there's this little dongle that comes out of here. You plug into it, okay? Once I plugged it in, there's an on and off switch right here. You are not throwing in quarters at all. So see, as soon as you turn it on, the light actually comes on. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Can you see that? Here, hold on. See that? Yeah. The light actually comes on and it loads up. And as you can see earlier, it says loading and then RK1UP. The screen looks pretty good. So there's a volume rocker. I want to turn it all the way up. There's a little indicator down here that tells you what the volume level is. Then you pick your game. You pick whichever game that you want. Dig Dug, Rally X, Pac-Man. This is Super Pac-Man, and then there's the original Pac-Man as well. So you're getting 4 games in here, and then you press play 1 or play 2. And literally, this is the intro screen of Pac-Man right here. Okay, so anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to play it facing you guys. Since, you know, Pac-Man is only a joystick anyway, right? So let's see if I can actually play it, okay? Don't... No! I goofed it. I goofed it up. Ah! So anyway, that's it right there. That's the Pac-Man arcade machine. But as you can see, the screen is very bright. It's a lot. I'm very surprised at how good of a quality this whole build is. Can't ask for more. Seriously, you can't ask for more. If you have space on a desk, on a counter, this thing works fantastic for me at least. So it works out really well. If you have like an IKEA you know, those Kallax box, I don't know if you ever know, but you can put this thing on there. It will look aesthetically awesome because it's all yellow and everything. It's awesome. I think I'm gonna grab a few more of these. Yeah. It looks really good. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.